Hi, this is Mastan. Today we are discussing single phase full wave off control rectifier. It is also called as a semi converter. Semi converter. So, semi converter means I will show the diagram of this. Semi converter means it is also bridge configurations. It is off control. Off control means it has one limb has. It is also called as a uh, asymmetric configurations. So first limb has T1, T2, second limb has D1, D2. So these two diodes are uncontrolled, these two switches are controlled. So it is also called as off control. It is also called a semi-controlled converter. It is full wave. It is a full bridge converter. It is nothing but semi-controlled. Semi means two switching devices, two thyristors and two diodes. Two SCRs and two diodes, semi-controlled. Semi-controlled. The name indicates semi-controlled. It is a bridge configurations. Bridge configurations. It is load is taken as RL load, R and L. So I'm taking as directly waveforms. So by seeing the diagram, during past half cycle, T1, D2 comes in conduction state. Negative half cycle, T2 and D1 is comes in conduction state. Remember this. During past half cycle, T1, D2 comes in conduction state, and negative half cycle, T2 and D1. So T1, D2 for past half cycle, T2, D1 for negative half cycle. So I'll show this. So supply voltage waveform, gate current of thyristor 1, gate signal of thyristor 2, output voltage waveform, output current, voltage across thyristor 1 and voltage across thyristor 2. So during positive half cycle up to alpha, the voltage across thyristor 1 is positive is followed by supply voltage. So like this graph. So up to this portion, the output voltage present across T1 only up to firing angle alpha. So during that time, the T1 comes in conduction state, D1 also comes in conduction state. So by giving pulses to the T1, T1 starts conducting. D1 is uncontrolled. There is no use of gate pulse. So the use of gate pulse only T1 only. So during first half cycle, gate pulse applied at alpha. Omega is equal to alpha. The firing pulse is given to the thyristor 1. So thyristor 1 is comes in conduction state. So the current starts at Vs plus to T1 and R, L, and finally D2 and reaches to the Vs also. It is a path. See the path of current. So like that it flows the current. Clear? During past half cycle. So at the end of past half cycle at omega is equal to pi, the T1 stops conducting. Why it is? Mid half cycle starts. So it is inductive load. So what is happening? Inductor doesn't allow the sudden changes in current. Inductor doesn't allow the sudden changes in current. Okay. So at the time, inductor transfer through the diode. So D2 becomes the reverse bias. There is no output voltage. See here. So there is no output voltage. There is no output voltage. So what is the current? So like this. So it is a graph of semi controlled converter. Clear? During fast half cycle, at the time of firing angle alpha, T1 turns on, D1 also turns on. At the end of fast half cycle, T1 becomes off state, but due to presence of inductance, the inductor energy directly transferred through diode D2 and T1. So T1 also on state up to, but whatever the voltage presented across L nectar, so that is transfer, that energy directly transferred through the D2 only. So what is happening? D2 is reverse bias automatically. So what is the voltage across D2 means it is 0. There is no output voltage. What is the current? It is nearly equal to some value, not equal to 0. So like that, the semi-converter operation will be explained. And again, rate of cycle at firing angle alpha, T2 comes in conduction state. So like that, it is also called as a two pulse. Semi-converter also we are getting two pulses in output of the completion of input of one cycle. So like that, the operation will be explained. So by seeing the PPT is also same. The circuit consists of two resistors T1, T2 and diode, two diodes D1, D2. During first half cycle, T1, D1 is forward bias, but T2 conduct up to until the gate pulses is applied to the T1 only. When the T1, D1 is on, the input voltage is applied to the load, but due to the inductor present in the load, the current through the loads build-ups. During negative half cycle, that is omega is equal to pi, T2, D2 is forward bias. The thyristor T1, D2 gets reverse bias. The current shifts to path to D2 and T1 in case of symmetrical converter, D1, D2 in case of asymmetrical converter. In our concept, I'm taking as a symmetrical case only. So when a gate pulse is given to the thyristor T2 and T2 at omega is equal to pi plus alpha, it gets turned on and begins to conduct. When T2, D2 is in on state, the current through the loads is built up during next past half cycle. So like that, it will be repeated. Okay. So the load receives voltage during both half cycles. The average value of output voltage can be varied by varying the firing angle alpha. The waveform shows the plot of input voltage, gate current, output voltage, output current, and voltage across thyristor T1 and T2. So like that, we should explain already. So already I am taking notes also. Write down the notes. So whatever it is I dictating, I will explain the same concepts presented here. So it is a diagram and it is a graph of. Okay, thank you.